Friends, it's January 21, 2026, a very cold Tuesday morning in Germany. Alex, a 35 years old middle class father, opens his bank account with very excitement. He's a very hard-working person and work hardly all the week, and he expects his 4,500 euros salary, but he only received 3,200 euros. So where did the other money gone? If you look at your payslip and feel confused every month, stay till the end. Today we will show you how exactly your salary gone before you even spend any single euro, and you will be shocked how much Europe take and how can take some back. Think about the Alex. His 4,500 euros gross pay looks very good on paper, but before he buys food, pay rent, the big parts disappeared. First come income tax, which only takes 15 to 20%. But it's not only income tax, there are many other cuts too. It makes you think, does hard work even matter? You are not the only one feeling this. There are millions of people in the Europe, teachers in Paris, nurses in London. They all are feel the same on every payday. The big problem is this: your gross salary looks nice on a paper, but once it comes to you, a lot is already gone. Why? Government use your money for pension, healthcare and unemployment help. It sounds okay, but when you left with very little, it feels unfair. Let's see the real numbers. In Europe, the average tax rate is 34.9% for a single worker. That means the 34.9% of your salary goes to taxes and contributions before you even touch it. And for the middle class, it's even more. In Germany, if you have 50,000 euros gross salary yearly, you have to pay 47.9% of your total yearly salary. Let's break it down how. 9.3% for pension, 7.3% for healthcare, 1.3% for unemployment, and almost 1.7 to 2.1% for long-term care, and 15 to 20% of income tax. That means your net salary is around 36,000 euros a year. As per the OECD tax wages report of 2025, the tax wage of single worker with no children earning, the average national wage was 34.9% on labor tax. Now look at the France. It's even harder. For 45,000 euros gross salary, 47.9% goes away. Pension takes 10.7%, healthcare takes 0.75%, and 9.7% for the other taxes. Net pay is only around 32,000 euros. Families suffer more. A good apartment becomes impossible in Paris. But in the UK, it's little bit better. On 40,000 euros gross salary, the average tax wage is around 32%. National insurance 8%, income tax 20%. So the net pay is around 32,000 euros. Across all the Europe, the middle class salary is 40 to 60,000 euros yearly, but the net salary is 20 to 50% less. In 2026, costs are still high, even if the inflation is less. Many people say 80% of Europeans worry about the money before even they spend it. If we see the Tax Foundation report of Labor Taxes 2024, many OECD countries uses taxes to benefit families with children. Like in Belgium, a single worker with no children pays 53% taxes, and one earner with 2 children pay 37% taxes. And the chart you saw on screen, it's in decimal fraction. That's why I'm guiding you the real percentage of this data. But here's the truth, no one says loud. These cuts help run the country. Pension, healthcare, unemployment help. If your home takes salary enough for bills, it hurts a lot. Let's suppose your own pay slip. Suppose you are in Netherlands. Your gross salary is 4,000 euros. Pension take 9.7%, health insurance takes 6.7%, unemployment take 2.5%, and the income tax takes 23%. Total 40% gone, and you got 2,600 euros, and the rent is still left. Oh my god, no wonder middle class dreams feels far away. This money disappearing before you spend it creates big stress. You work extra hours, skip holidays, but still feel poor. In 2026 in Europe, with higher energy and food prices, many families use savings just to live. Many YouTubers talk about side jobs, but they are ignoring the real question: why work so hard for gross salary when your net salary cheats you? You deserve to know and get it some back. But the good news is this: you can fight back, but first understand your payslip. Look at now, find lines like SSC for Social Security. In Germany, use online salary calculators. Put your gross salary in it and see your net salary. I am providing you a tips. First, if you are married with kids, change your tax class to 3 by 5. You can get 200 euros every single month. And secondly, claim what is yours, home or office. In Germany, you can get 600 euros every month free for kids. Child benefits reduce tax a lot, almost 10 to 15%. In France, tax credit for schools. Give all your money back. And third, plan better. Save 10% of your net pay for emergency. Ask for higher gross salary knowing how much tax comes. And use applications like TaxFix in Germany or gov.com calculator in UK. Many people get 1000 euros refund. Last, speak up, join Reddit and Personal Finance EU and share your story. In 2026, elections are coming. Your voice can change things. What if lower taxes meant a stronger middle class? It can happen. It starts with you. So back to Alex in Berlin. Now he knows what to do. He changed his tax class, claimed deductions, and now he feels better. Now it's your turn. Comment your country and gross salary below. I will give you quick breakdown in the replies. Like this video and subscribe for more middle class money tips. Your salary does not have to disappear like magic. Take control today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.